Welcome to another English Premier League preview and predictions show. Let's get to it, guys. On Saturday, the 20th of December at 2:30, we've got Newcastle United who are hosting Chelsea at 2:30. Okay, let us look at the win probabilities. The win probability for the home team, which is Newcastle United, it is at 35%. The draw probability is 26%. And the win probability for Chelsea, it is 39%. Let us look at the league table. Chelsea are currently at position 4. They've played 16 matches. They've got 28 points. Newcastle United at position 12. They've played 16 matches. They've got 22 points. Now let us look for another match for match day 17. It is Wolves who are hosting Brentford. The struggling Wolves are hosting Brentford.